Introducing the 2021 Ford Kuga Titanium 1.5TD120 S6.2 M6 F 4D in stylish grey. Packed with features like ambient lighting, Android Auto, and wireless charging, this MPV offers comfort and convenience. With safety features like lane departure warning, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The vehicle also comes with a comprehensive warranty and has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a top-of-the-line Ford Kuga. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in style and safety today.